Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best La Roche-Posay is probably one of the most talked about skincare lines in the beauty world, renowned for its gentle yet effective formulas designed to soothe even the most sensitive skin types. Today, we're diving deep into the La Roche-Posay range, exploring its star products and helping you determine if this line is the perfect fit for your skincare routine, addressing concerns like acne, dryness, redness, and aging. We will analyze its key ingredients, textures, and overall effectiveness, providing you with an honest and unbiased review to help you make an informed decision. Number 5. La Roche-Posay Toleriane Cleanser. This cleanser is specially formulated for oily and sensitive skin. It's soap-free and oil-free, so it's gentle yet effective. It features a unique blend of niacinamide, ceramides, and prebiotic thermal water. These work together to purify and balance your skin. It effectively removes dirt, oil, and impurities without stripping your skin's natural moisture barrier. It leaves your skin feeling clean and refreshed. It's soap-free and formulated to be gentle enough for even the most sensitive skin. You can trust it to cleanse without irritation. This cleanser helps to minimize the appearance of pores, leaving your complexion looking smoother and clearer. It's the perfect addition to your daily skincare routine. Experience the difference of a truly effective yet gentle cleanser. It's time to reveal your healthiest, most radiant skin. What we like. It's specially formulated to be oil-free and effectively cleanses pores without stripping your skin's natural moisture. If you have oily or acne-prone skin and are looking for a deep clean without the dryness, this is the perfect choice for you. It's soap-free and gentle enough even for sensitive skin, leaving your complexion balanced and refreshed. What people say. It has no fragrance, which is ideal for my skin type, which usually reacts with irritations to products with perfumes. Its texture is light, non-greasy, and absorbs quickly without leaving residue. It leaves my skin feeling incredibly clean without that tight, stripped feeling. The texture is smooth and gentle, perfect for daily use, even on my sensitive skin. After just a week, I noticed fewer breakouts, less oil around my T-zone, and an overall glow I hadn't seen in a while. The formula is incredibly gentle, no fragrance, no irritation, and packed with skin-loving ingredients like niacinamide, which has helped calm my skin and reduce the appearance of pores. It effectively removes oil and impurities without stripping the skin, and I've noticed my face stays balanced and fresh throughout the day. Number 4. La Roche-Posay Toleriane Cleanser. This cleanser is designed for dry to normal skin. It's gentle enough for even the most sensitive skin. It effectively cleanses without stripping away your skin's natural moisture. It leaves your skin feeling soft and comfortable. It's formulated with niacinamide and ceramides to help hydrate and protect your skin's barrier. Experience lasting comfort after every wash. It's been rigorously tested on sensitive skin and is fragrance-free. It's suitable for daily use. This daily face wash is perfect for those with dry to normal skin types. It provides gentle cleansing and long-lasting hydration. It helps to improve skin texture and leaves it feeling healthy and radiant. See the difference it makes to your skin's appearance. What we like. This cleanser is incredibly hydrating and gentle on the skin, perfect for those with dry or sensitive skin. If you're looking for a daily face wash that leaves your skin feeling soft, supple, and comfortable, this is it. It's fragrance-free and won't irritate even the most delicate complexions. What people say. This face cleanser is exactly what I needed. It's super gentle and doesn't leave my skin feeling tight or dry after washing. The texture is smooth and creamy, and it cleans well without being harsh. It also has niacinamide and ceramides, which help keep my skin feeling soft and healthy. It leaves my skin feeling so clean, fresh, and actually moisturized. No tightness, no dryness, just super soft, happy skin. The formula is gentle but still does an amazing job at removing dirt, oil, and even makeup. It gives me that deep clean feeling without stripping my skin. This La Roche-Posay Hydrating Cleanser is a game changer for my sensitive skin. It's super gentle and hydrating, leaving my skin feeling clean but not dry or tight. The niacinamide and ceramides work wonders, and I love that it's fragrance-free. Number 3. La Roche-Posay Hyalu B5 Serum. This serum is a unique blend of hyaluronic acid, vitamin B5, and madecassoside. It's designed to visibly plump your skin and improve its overall appearance. It contains pure hyaluronic acid, a powerful humectant that draws moisture into the skin, keeping it hydrated and supple. This helps to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Vitamin B5, also known as panthenol, is included to soothe and repair the skin barrier. It helps to reduce redness and inflammation, making it ideal for sensitive skin. Madecassoside, derived from Centella asiatica, is a powerful ingredient known for its soothing and restorative properties. It helps to calm irritated skin and promote healing. With regular use, you'll notice a visible improvement in your skin's texture and tone. It will look plumper, smoother, and more radiant. It's formulated to be gentle enough for even the most sensitive skin types. It's oil-free, non-comedogenic, and hypoallergenic. This serum helps to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, leaving you with a more youthful complexion. It's a great addition to your daily skincare routine. What we like. This serum is a powerhouse of hydration, visibly plumping the skin and reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. If you're looking for an anti-aging serum that delivers intense hydration without feeling heavy, this is your best bet. It's suitable for even the most sensitive skin types. What people say. It is very light and smells amazing. A little goes a very long way as it is pretty thick. The lightweight, non-sticky texture absorbs quickly, leaving my skin feeling plump and hydrated without any greasiness. It layers beautifully under moisturizer and sunscreen, too. The dropper makes it easy to apply just the right amount. My skin looks and feels more youthful after using this product for only a few days. It's great for men and women. You really only need to use it once per day. Number 2. La Roche-Posay Toleriane Double Repair UV. This daily facial moisturizer is specially formulated to provide long-lasting hydration and sun protection. It's suitable for even the most sensitive skin types. It's enriched with prebiotic thermal water, ceramides, niacinamide, and glycerin to deliver up to 48 hours of intense moisture. This helps restore your skin's natural barrier. It offers broad-spectrum UVA/UVB protection with SPF 30, shielding your skin from harmful sun rays all day long. This helps prevent sun damage and premature aging. Its lightweight texture absorbs quickly without leaving a greasy residue. You'll love how comfortable and refreshed your skin feels. It's fragrance-free, paraben-free, oil-free, alcohol-free, and non-comedogenic. This makes it perfect for sensitive skin prone to irritation. Ceramides help retain moisture, niacinamide helps restore your skin's barrier and reduce discoloration, and glycerin provides intense hydration. What we like. It provides all-day hydration and broad-spectrum sun protection with SPF 30, making it perfect for daily use. If you're looking for a moisturizer that protects your skin from the sun's harmful rays while keeping it hydrated and comfortable, this is the one. It's suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin. Number 1. La Roche-Posay Acne Set. This set is your key to clearer skin. It combines a powerful acne cleanser with a mattifying moisturizer for a complete skincare routine. It gently cleanses and unclogs pores, helping to prevent future breakouts. Its salicylic acid formula effectively targets acne-causing bacteria. This lightweight moisturizer provides long-lasting hydration without clogging pores. It's perfect for acne-prone skin and helps to reduce redness. The moisturizer contains niacinamide, a powerful ingredient that helps to reduce inflammation and improve skin texture. It helps to calm irritated skin. This set is designed to work together to improve the appearance of acne and give you clearer, healthier-looking skin. See the results for yourself. Start with the cleanser to thoroughly clean your skin, then follow with the moisturizer to hydrate and protect. Use it morning and night for best results. What we like. This set combines a mattifying moisturizer and an acne-fighting cleanser to tackle blemishes and excess oil. If you're struggling with acne and oily skin, this set offers a powerful yet gentle solution. It's a convenient way to target breakouts while keeping your skin hydrated and balanced. What people say. It isn't too harsh, doesn't exacerbate dryness, and it doesn't sting with application, which is sometimes an issue due to my skin sensitivity. It works up a good lather and helps me with clearing my skin quickly and keeping my skin clear. My skin feels super clean and soft after I use it, and it doesn't completely strip my skin or exacerbate my oil production. The La Roche-Posay Acne Skin Care Set is fantastic and totally worth it. The cleanser with salicylic acid and the matte moisturizer with niacinamide have noticeably improved my skin. It lathers well and is a pretty thick consistency, so you don't need a lot. I noticed an improvement in the texture and blemishes on my face shortly after my first time using this. I get a hormonal zit here and there, but my face just looks clean and brighter. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.